Today, I am reviewing the MSI Cubi NUC Business Mini Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I bought the MSI Cubi NUC Business Mini Desktop about 3 weeks ago to replace a bulky, loud tower PC that was taking up way too much space under my desk, and I want to share my actual, hands-on experience with it. When you first look at this tiny square box, it is hard to believe that it can function as a primary workstation, but after putting it through its paces with heavy daily multitasking, spreadsheets, database management, and a massive web browsing load, I can confidently say this little machine is an absolute powerhouse for productivity. Let's start with the performance because that was my biggest concern going in. It runs on the Intel Core i5-120 processor, which packs 10 cores and 12 threads. In day-to-day business tasks, this translates to an incredibly snappy and responsive experience. I routinely keep 20 to 30 Chrome tabs open, alongside multiple large Excel sheets and a video call running in the background, and I have yet to experience a single stutter or system freeze. The 16 gigabytes of high-bandwidth DDR5 RAM plays a huge role here, ensuring that switching between heavy applications feels instantaneous. Combined with a 512 gigabyte solid-state drive, the boot-up times are practically non-existent. From the moment I press the power button to being fully logged in on Windows 11 Pro, it takes less than 10 seconds. Speaking of Windows 11 Pro, having it pre-installed is a massive benefit for anyone using this in a professional environment. It includes all the essential security and remote management features you need for business, and the window snapping and virtual desktop layouts work beautifully on this hardware. The real star of the show for me, however, is the connectivity. Usually, when you buy a mini PC, you expect to sacrifice ports and rely heavily on annoying dongles. MSI completely flipped the script here. The port selection on this device is staggering for its size. On the front, you get easy access to 2 high-speed USB ports, an audio combo jack, and a microSD card reader, which has been incredibly convenient for quickly transferring photos and files from my camera. But the back of the machine is where things get really impressive. It features dual HDMI ports and dual Thunderbolt 4 ports. This layout allowed me to set up a true multi-monitor workstation without buying any extra adapters. I currently have it hooked up to 3 4K monitors, and it drives all of them flawlessly at crisp resolutions without breaking a sweat. If you're a trader, a data analyst, or just someone who needs a lot of screen real estate to stay organized, this capability alone makes the machine worth every penny. You also get dual RJ45 Ethernet ports, which is a rare and welcome addition for anyone needing redundant network connections or advanced networking setups, alongside built-in Wi-Fi 6 for fast, stable wireless internet. From a design and physical standpoint, the footprint of this machine is delightfully small. It completely frees up your desk space. It is fully VESA-mountable, meaning you can literally screw it onto the back of a compatible monitor, hiding it entirely from view and leaving you with a perfectly clean, minimalist workspace. Even when I am pushing the processor hard during data exports, the fan noise remains a low, gentle hum that easily blends into normal office background noise, and the chassis stays remarkably cool to the touch. If I had to find a downside, a 512 gigabyte drive might feel a bit tight after a few years if you store massive local video archives, but for standard business documents, cloud storage, and apps, it is more than enough, and the Thunderbolt ports make adding lightning-fast external storage incredibly easy anyway. Ultimately, the MSI Cubi NUC delivers exactly what a modern business desktop should. It gives you the raw speed of a traditional desktop, the insane multi-display capabilities of a high-end workstation, and the physical footprint of a small paperback book. It has completely transformed my daily workflow, and I highly recommend it to any professional, remote worker, or small business owner looking for a reliable, space-saving, and highly capable computer.